Dear students, this video of Ear to Ear is brought to you by Aryabhat National Public School. Do you know what we do with our ears? I think your answer, everybody know the answer. What we do with our ears? We hear with our ears. We hear different kind of sounds with our ears. Ear is an important part of our body. In parts of body, you all have learned about the different parts. In that parts you have learned ear also. Ear is an important part of our body. And what we do with our ears? We hear different kind of sounds with our ears. You are hearing this video. You are hearing my voice in this video with your ears. Similarly, animals also have ears. Have you seen animals, different kind of animals? Have you seen their ears? Of course you have. You have seen different kind, you see different kind of animals every day coming to school or going back to your home from school. When you are going outside for playing, you see different kind of animals. Have you seen their ears? Of course you have. There are animals whose ear you can see easily. Here some picture of animals are given. You can see all these animals have ears, but in this picture you will find that all the animals have ears, but of different animals. But my point is, can you see these ears or not? Of course you can see these ears. There are a group of animals also whose ear we cannot see. You will find it, those type of animals here. Can you see the ears present on their head? No, you cannot see. Why you cannot see? Because they have very small ears. What's my point is, what I want to say is, some animals have big ears, and some have small ears. Animals, those are present around us, some of them have very big ears that we can see easily, and some of them have very small ears that we cannot see. For example, we can see the ear of elephant, we can see the ear of cow, rabbit, dog, cat, etc. All these animals are present around us. Some animals have very small ears, for example, fish, crow, sparrow, all birds, lizard, frog, all these animals have very small ears. They have so small ears that we cannot see them easily. We will not, I am not talking about the question and answers that we will do in a separate video, or I will send you the question and answers. Here we are discussing what we have to learn in this chapter, ear to ear. We are discussing about the ear of animals. In those till now, we have discussed that some animals have big ears that we can see easily. Some animals have small ears that we cannot see easily. Now, we will come to the second part of this chapter. In this part, we will discuss about the skin of animals and the hair present on those skins. Have you seen hairs present on animals' skin? Have you seen different kinds of patterns present on the skin of animals? I think all of you have seen. If you have not seen those animals directly in front of you, you have seen those animals in some books, in TV, in newspaper. Let me show you some of them. Here, by seeing only the pattern present on the skin of this animal, can you tell me what is the name of this animal? Yes, of course you can tell. This is a zebra. It has a very special pattern, black and white pattern. Can you identify this animal? Of course you can identify. That is a tiger. Tiger has a very different kind of pattern on its skin. Can you identify this animal? Yes, you can. That is a leopard. Can you identify this animal? Yes, you can identify. That is a stag. Can you identify this animal? Yes, of course you can identify. That is a squirrel. Squirrel have a very small, peculiar pattern present on the back of, on the skin on their back. From seeing only the patterns present on the skin of different animals, you guys can identify those animals. But there are a lot of animals which does not have any kind of pattern on their skin. Have you seen buffalo? Do you find any kind of pattern? No. Have you seen dogs? Do you find any special pattern on them? No. Goat? No. But one thing you will find on all these animals, that all these animals have hair on their skin. If we will go near them and observe, I'm not saying to go near to the tiger, but you can go near to a cow, you can go near to a buffalo, you can go near and see a goat, you can go near and see your pet cat, all the pet animals you have at your home. You can go near to them and see and observe their skin, and you will find that there are very small hairs present on their skin. There are lot of animals which do not have skin, sorry, which do not have hair on their skin. What they have? They have feathers on their skin. There is a table given below here. You'll find in the first part of the table there is a relationship shown between ears and hair on the skin. There is a very interesting relationship. In the next part of the video, you will find one more relationship, but here there is a relationship between ears that we can see and the hairs present on their skin. What is the relationship? Those animals whose ear you can see easily, those animals have hair present on their skin. For example, take an example of cow. If you write the name of the animal here in this column, ears can be seen. We can easily see the ear of a cow. And if you will go and observe the cow from near, you will find that there are small, small hairs present on the skin of the cow. Here. Similarly, take another example. Take an example of buffalo. Have you seen buffalo? If you will go near to the buffalo, then you will find there are very small hairs present on the buffalo skin, and the buffalo ear you can see easily from a distance. You can see in the second table present here, ears. In the first column it is written ears cannot be seen, and in the second column what is it? Has feathers on skin. They have feathers on their skin. They don't have hair, they have feathers. Take an example of crow. Can you see the ear of a crow? No, we cannot see the ear of a crow because it is very small. And what about this? The skin? There are feathers present on the skin of a crow. Take an example of parrot, take an example of sparrow, take an example of pigeon. All these birds have very small ears that we cannot see. And what about? They have feathers on their skin. They don't have hairs, they have feathers. Students, in the third part, you will find that all these animals that are present around you, whether it is a cow, a dog, a crow, a sparrow, a pigeon, fish, frog, all these animals have babies. You have seen small crow, you have seen a young crow also. You have seen a cow, you have seen the baby of a cow also. All these animals have babies, but a cow give birth to their baby, to their young ones directly. They give birth, but some animals lay eggs. They does not give birth to their little ones directly. They lay eggs. Why I am telling all these to you? Because there is a interesting relationship between ear, skin, and how they give birth to their young ones. Take an example of cow. Cow, we can see easily the ear of a cow. Cow has hair on their skin, and cow give birth to their baby directly. Take another example. Crow. We cannot see the ear of a crow. We A crow has feather on their skin. They don't have hairs on present on their skin. And a crow lay eggs. it does not give birth to their little ones. They lay eggs. There is a very interesting relationship. In this chapter, what we have learned is some animals have big ears that we can see easily. Some animals have small ears that we cannot see easily. Some animals have different kind of patterns on their skin. Some animal, all the animals, some animals have hair on present on their skin. Some animals have feathers present on their skin. Some animals give birth to their little ones. Some animals lay eggs. And the relationship between all these three. Those animals who have big ears have hair on their skin and give birth to their little ones. Those animals who have small ears have feathers on their skin and lay eggs. This is all we have to learn in this chapter. The question and answers present in this chapter I will send you separately. Thank you for watching.